Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com, and we are here at SVA with Emily, and this is Emily's second sketchbook?
Yes.
Absolutely. And Emily, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good, good. And how was your first year here at SVA?
It was so much fun. I still can't believe it happened.
Awesome, awesome. So listen, Emily's sketchbook is really special, and we're gonna flip through it. And Hill City, what's Hill City?
It's the nickname for my hometown in
Nice.
Virginia.
Oh wow, okay, awesome. So when did you start this sketchbook?
I want to say like mid-January or so.
Okay.
I think.
And gosh, y'all have seen Emily's first sketchbook, and Emily has a really, really unique style, and I just absolutely adore your work, and I think it's unique, and I think you can, we talked about this in the first sketchbook video, that you can kind of transverse multiple disciplines. And what was your key, wait a second, go back to that page. What did you do that in?
I think like Sharpie and Micron and glitter glue.
Wow. What's your key takeaway from your first year here at SVA? One thing that you're different how you think now versus September.
Oh man, that's a really thoughtful question. I think maybe silly, and other people might have different takeaways, but probably just taking care of my health too, in addition to school.
Yes.
Because going into it, I thought, oh my gosh, I need to do all this stuff, and like so much emphasis on work ethic here,
Yes.
which is amazing,
Yes.
and I wouldn't want it any different, but definitely like so silly.
No,
but,
I
like,
get
when you're
what you're
tired,
saying.
sleep, and when you're hungry, eat, and
Yes.
those simple things that you forget to do.
Wow, you know, we're passing by a ton of work, and I want to ask you all these questions, but the one thing that I try to stress to all the younger students who pull the overnighters, I'm like, that overnighter is going to kill you the entire week, and it's going to take you a full week to recover from not sleeping. But, okay, that's a story for another day. Wait, go back, that piece, how long, like the right page, this one, how long does that take you?
Oh man, maybe an hour and a half, maybe. But I get distracted.
And you're just kind of cranking this stuff out of your imagination. And what would you say now that I know what your answer was the first time, but your dream job?
Ooh,
what would you just like to do with your art?
oh, that's such a good question. I think it's one of those things where there's so many things that I'd love to try, like at least once.
Yes.
Where I'm worried about saying like one definitive thing, but
Then choose two. Like if you had to do two things.
oh man, very silly, but I'd love to do like an album cover or something.
Love
I think
it.
that would be really fun.
Yeah, agreed.
And not a very good animator, still a baby still, but making films would be so fun.
Nice. And what were those panels for?
Oh, there's like this hourly comic day thing that a lot of my classmates did.
Nice.
And it was fun to join in with everybody.
Wow, how did you get that black?
There's like these king size Sharpies.
God, you
that I
must
love
have
so
been
much.
completely high.
Yes. I need to take a break
Oh,
whenever I use the Sharpie.
Wait, you gotta go back. I mean, listen, YouTube, this is incredible artwork. The line, the shape, the texture, the pattern. Wow, I mean, seriously, I am so boring with my figure drawings.
Oh, no.
That's all I do is that, I mean, I love your diversity with all of this stuff. This is great.
Thank you so much.
Wow. And the other thing that we don't really talk too much about is just the shapes of these characters that you draw. They are not run-of-the-mill shapes. Like, you just concoct like these crazy shapes when you draw these characters. I mean, that is really cool.
Thank you so much.
Are your parents artistic too?
I would say yes, they would say no, but
Okay.
yeah, my dad really loved art in high school and is still an amazing artist, and then my mom too. And she'd
Nice.
always leave me like doodles around the house and stuff. It was so sweet.
Nice. What was your besides my class? What was your favorite class and why? And what was your favorite thing to do here at SVA this year?
Oh man, hard to pick just one. Probably the story structure class with
Okay.
Mr. Gorey.
Nice.
That just such a life-changing
I would like to
class.
take that class.
It was so fun.
Oh, yeah.
And he's such a good teacher.
Wow.
But probably, it's silly to say, but probably my favorite thing was just meeting all the people. Sorry about that.
That's okay. That's okay. I'm just gonna slide this.
Just all the wonderful people here that
Yes.
It's like statistically impossible for a person to be so talented at what they do and also so nice. So and there's so many people like that here. So
There are.
It's been crazy.
It's a really, like, your foundation class was really awesome because it's such a close-knit group of students.
Yeah.
And when you were going back and forth with Amanda, you were having fun, right?
Yeah. Yes. Shout out to Amanda. She's great.
I mean, I didn't know whether you were getting on each other or you were just, it was an inside joke that I didn't get.
Yeah, it is. We have this joke where we hate each other.
Gotcha.
And we're gonna have a fight outside Auntie Anne's or something.
Nice. Wow, these are unbelievably cool.
Thank you.
And wow, I love the red. Gosh. What are your plans for the summer?
Ooh, I wish I knew. I think there's like this summer class thing at SVA that I might take.
Okay.
But back home, I guess, speak of the devil, there's like this amazing community of like pottery
Yes.
people that I consider my family.
Okay.
And they're just so wonderful. So probably if I can visit them at least for a little bit, and my real family too. 'Cause
That would be
but-
cool. That sounds like a plan. Yeah, I'll be doing pre-college, 2 pre-college classes and a perspective class, which I'm very, very grateful for. It'll force me to switch things up so I don't get bored. Wow, the green, the colors, my God. You must have a ton of art supplies at home, all different colored markers and stuff.
Yeah,
And how do you like digital? Do you like digital?
sorry,
No,
I'm
you're
doing
good.
that
You know what? I'm leaning back. You're good. You're good.
Sorry, you were saying
Ye-
digital?
Yeah. Do you like digital? Because you're so good with your traditional.
Oh, thank you. I think I've enjoyed it more as I've tried to learn it. But I definitely
Wow.
I'm a big creature of habit.
Yes.
With traditional. but
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And most of your homework stuff for your animation class are all digital, right?
Right. Yeah. And so that's been really fun. To have kind of that push.
Yes.
To try it.
Wow.
And really good teachers, so that helps.
Really pretty stuff. My God. So for me, I would just love to see this on like a big 8 foot by 10 foot canvas.
Oh gosh,
Wouldn't that be cool?
that would be fun.
Wow. Really pretty stuff here. I mean, this is crazy. Hold on. I feel like we're going like way too fast. Like this is too good. Awesome, awesome. Oh, and look at the shapes of those characters. And the green. And you're really good with color. Like you're putting the green next to that pink.
Oh,
It's not overly saturated. You take a lot of good notes.
oh thanks. I need to go back and read them, but
Yes. Yeah, it's good. It like sometimes when you're in class you're just tired and you're fried and you don't realize how valuable some of those notes are. These things are just all out of your imagination. And how has your experience been with figure drawing in class?
That's been super fun. I really hope I can improve at it or practice more, but yeah, it's such a special opportunity to be able to figure draw for
Do you like it?
I love it so much.
Awesome.
Yeah, and even the people are super nice too, so it makes it fun.
God, I can't tell what I like the most. Like, if I like the thin line that you use with that certain pen, or the thicker line, it's all good. And then the orange teal, come on, that looks great.
Thank you so much.
Have you ever thought about actually even going into design?
It very silly to say, but I'm not really sure what really goes into doing design, or so I haven't really thought about it. But,
yeah, I mean,
that would be fun.
You can do so much stuff. I mean, interior design, illustration.
Oh gosh.
Character design, fine art. Fine art is the thing that pops out to me first. Just reproducing these or just making these really big. I mean, these are crazy what you're doing here. No one else is doing stuff like this.
Thank you so much.
That is great. My goodness. And when did you start drawing this way? Like pretty much your whole life, right?
Ooh, I'm sorry, bad answer, but not super sure. I think there's been a lot of artists along the way that have been super inspiring and kind of, I feel like, rewired my brain a little bit to want to, I don't know, I guess I've always really loved drawing, but yeah, I don't know, just really enjoy it.
Nice, fair enough. Hey, notes from class, beautiful.
Yeah, I was so worried I'd missed that lecture when I came in late.
Oh, love it. Very nice. A little cleaner page for you, not as much as the chaos. That's more chaotic in a good way. And once again, pattern, shape, line, texture. It's like a repetition thing going on. Pattern, line, shape, texture. It's all the things that I learned in high school that you use so well.
Oh, thank you. And this is the last page that I have.
Wow. All right, well, listen, let's show this sketchbook how thick it is. I mean, look at that. That's no joke. Emily, listen, I want to thank you so much for sharing your artwork and putting it out there on YouTube. You're really special. So we'll find you on social media. We'll put the link below.
Awesome. Thank you so much again.
All right, you got it. You got it. Listen, everybody, you got to like that video and you got to share that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.